What's up, everybody? It's April Justine here, and I'm just gonna do a quick video to show you what I got at the grocery store. I went to Kroger and spent too much money, but I also got some stuff for my pets, so that kind of accounts for that. But I will show you my grocery haul. So we'll start at this end with a flat iron steak I'm gonna cut in half, and that'll probably be like 3 or 4 meals for me. I'm gonna add some asparagus that I have to this and pair that with my steak. I have been loving these low-carb tortillas. It makes me feel like I love tortillas. Like, I'll just eat tortillas and butter, and I used to do that like pre-keto. So that is amazing and worth the carbs for me. Technically, excuse me, if you're the keto police, you are not going to like those. And if you are afraid of the keto police, do not get those because they will come after you. All right, moving on. So you see, I got some pickles. I love me some dill pickles. I will not drink the juice though, let me tell you that. I have been looking for Chipotle hot sauce forever out in Memphis, and the one that I had, I think, was the it was just regular Tabasco sauce that was Chipotle flavored. Amazing, couldn't find it, but found this instead. So we have the pancake syrup from Walden Farms. It's super runny and liquidy, but it's still really good for flavor. I've been wanting to try that egg loaf from Keto Sam I Am. That's her Instagram handle. Follow her for some cool recipes. She's a pretty awesome person. Maybe I'll link it below if I remember. Anyway, so I wanted some syrup with that because it's pretty much like French toast without the toast, and I wanted syrup. Then I got me some cream cheese, some mozzarella cheese. I got a lot of cheese, I'm not gonna lie. If you're dairy intolerant, you don't want to get that stuff. But the cream cheese is either gonna be for my fat bombs or for another round of cracked chicken, because I do have chicken in the freezer. And mozzarella cheese, I told you guys about my fathead pizza fail. You have to use mozzarella cheese or it will not be very good. So we move on. We got some broccoli pearls and I was gonna say keto curl. Cauliflower pearls as well. And these I'm probably going to bake into a cheesy casserole yummy goodness. I've been getting a lot of like food porn on Instagram that has been inspiring what I buy, and this is part of that. So this is a new thing for me. It is bread cheese. I have not tried it. It's pretty much cheese that's baked, so there's no actual bread in it. So I'm gonna try it, and I'll let you know probably on Instagram if it's good or not. Then we go to some cheese. I forgot, what is this? Dutch Gouda. I love me some Gouda. And then I got mozzarella. Then I have that Swiss cheese ball that I was telling you about that I dipped the pork rinds in. And I'll show you what it says. Literally, Swiss cheese ball. Okay, so there you go. It's soft. I love it for dipping in the pork rinds. My cats try to steal it from me. Kind of rude. My cats are rude. Then I always love me some chocolate at night. I prefer to get the Lily's chocolate, but if I can't find that, I will go with a 90-ish. As you see, this one's 88. I don't know how much of the money goes to endangered species buying this chocolate, but I hope that my money goes there like it says, the 10%, so I buy this one. And it was also less expensive than Lint's. I also got this, which you can see is empty because I had it for lunch. And holy crap, guys, if you are having a pizza craving like I was, I really actually highly suggest the Real Good Pizza Company because it is really good, in fact. And it really, really got rid of that pizza craving because the taste was just all there, and you could taste the Parmesan in the crust. The crust is made out of chicken and Parmesan, and it was just so delightful. As you can see, 4 total carbs, which is really, really great. Then I got these tongs because I'm making steak as much as I am and need to flip it, and flipping steak with a fork is kind of hard. Alright, so I got all of this goodness, and I also got some, oh god, what are they called? The little needles for your keto thingamajigger when you test your blood. I forgot what that's called, but I got some of those. And like I said, some stuff for my pets. I'm trying to potty train my pets, and it's not going how I want, so I'd pick up puppy pads. But I would say this was all about $110-ish if I take away the other stuff that I got. Mind you, that tong there was like 20 bucks because I guess I went ham and was too bougie for the $3 one. Whatever. Anyway, here you go. I hope this gives you guys some ideas on what you can buy on keto. Keep in mind that I do have a lot of chicken and some ground beef in my freezer, so I did not have to buy that. So there you have it. There is my keto grocery haul. I spent way too much money, like I said, but that is okay. I hope this helps with any like quick meal ideas. I keep it super simple because frankly I'm super lazy and I don't want to spend all my time in the kitchen, so I will prep some stuff ahead of time and save it for lunches and stuff like that. Mostly dinners are super simple. If not, you know, I don't even eat them at all. So I hope this helped you guys, and yeah, keto on, and I will see you guys later.